You post a beautiful condo listing, ocean view, modern kitchen, perfect price, but no calls. Why? Because today's buyers aren't just shopping for views. They're investigating risks. If your content doesn't address their biggest worries, HOA fees and building safety, you're invisible. The condo crisis: how to build buyer trust in South Florida's market. Section 1. What buyers fear. After the Surfside collapse, HOA costs and reserve fund rules changed the game. Buyers now ask hard questions. How old is the roof? Are the reserves fully funded? What's the special assessment schedule? Yet most agents avoid those topics online because it feels technical or boring. The result? Your listing sits while someone else gets the trust. Section 2. Turn anxiety into education. Here's the shift. Buyers don't need you to sell them. They need you to educate them. Imagine posting short clips like 3 questions to ask before buying a condo, or how new reserve laws affect your fees. When you turn your listings into mini lessons, you become the agent who tells the truth. And that's rare in a market full of noise. We take your raw footage and build that trust story for you, with captions, infographics, and motion graphics that keep buyers watching. Done for you system. At Brand Locally, we turn your listings into an educational campaign. Your reel breaks down the property's strengths. Your carousel explains HOA transparency. Your story answers common questions about insurance or maintenance. Everything is customized to South Florida buyers, so you stand out as a trusted voice, not just another agent. If your condo listings keep getting ignored, it's not the market, it's the message. Let's build your brand around honesty and education that converts views into calls. Comment "Condo clear" or click the link below. We'll turn your next listing into content that inspires trust and sells faster. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.